Successful people often are successful because they use this principle and which you should apply to be more productive and efficient. So what is this principle and what it actually tells us? The 80-20 principle, also known as the Pareto principle, it was highlighted by a man called Pareto, an Italian economist in the late 19th century. Pareto observed that 80% of Italy's land was owned by 20% of the population. He later noticed similar patterns in other areas, like gardening, where 20% of the pea pods produced 80% of the peas. This observation sparked the idea that a small number of causes often lead to a large proportion of results, and the ratio doesn't have to be always 20 to 80%. It could be 10 to 90 or 5 to 95 and even 1 to 99. You get the idea. Basically, it's a law that says the majority of results is often caused by a small minority of causes. Now let's see how this principle could be used in our lives. Straight away, being so busy and working a lot doesn't necessarily mean we're achieving the most. When the principle is utilized correctly, it enables you to achieve more by doing less. This principle tells us to put our efforts only and only on the things that pays out very well. If you had a business and you had 3 products, let's say A, B and C, dividing your effort equally between them, 33% each. But when it comes to the returns, products A and B performed way better than C, and the product C only resulted 6% of the total revenue. Well then, the 33% of effort invested in product C should be invested in A and B instead for maximal returns. And to be more precise, time is the thing one should apply this principle on. We should eliminate all the unnecessary habits that occupy so much of our time but with no good return, and focus only on the few things that benefit us the most. It can be applied to every area of your life, whether it's business or free time. It encourages you to think more efficiently, to cut out the useless things and focus on what actually pays out. So think about the things you should count on and the things you should cut out. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel for more content like this.